Alright, here's my report for the 720 around Sebring. Only got 4 laps total for the day. This is the only clear lap that I got. So I'm braking way early here on turn 1 because I'm still not comfortable with the brake. Obviously the apex speed is kind of low, at least 10 miles per hour lower than where it should be. Should be closer to the wall and exit as well, track out more. Braking slightly early here. Not carrying as much speed I would like in turn 3 as well. Here coming to turn 5. You can see I'm jerking the wheel a little bit, try to get the car to rotate, but it didn't do it. Coming out of 5, you hear that hissing noise. It's just me playing with the throttle. I'm just not confident doing full throttle because it carries so much speed. The car speeds up so fast. Coming to a braking zone at 7, I'm braking way early again. The car just not really stopping the way I'm used to. It could be just I'm on 200 tread wear tires. But coming out of the corner, this car is straight up rocket ship. Look at the mile per hour, just shoots up. So here you can hear that hissing noise again. I'm just moderating the throttle, not going full throttle. Braking way early again. Apex speed here at 10 is kind of low. Really low actually. Here, normally you can carry full throttle, just being my first real lap on the car. I'm not going full throttle just to be safe. Same here, I feel like 13 I did well. Just few miles per hour off than normally at the apex speed. Coming out to Bishop now. I think I could carry full throttle flat, but I'm just taking it easy, just not sure. So you can see the mile per hour just maintaining or dropping even. Off camber corner, try to carry as much speed as possible. Probably should have been closer to the apex. Here, same thing with 16. I didn't get down to the apex like I should. But once I hit that throttle button, oh my god, power. Still getting used to the automatic thing, so I kind of gave it a manual shift, therefore I missed the shift. But whatever, I was like, I'm not going to downshift because I thought I was going to get another lap. But, the closing speed is kind of crazy. Not surprised that this car did not expect me to close up on him as fast as I did. But this is it. Basically, I just got held up. It's not a big deal. It's a safety thing. Both worked out fine. After this lap was just nothing but traffic, so I just decided to bring it in. So total in all, 4 laps for the day. One with kind of clear traffic, got to feel the car. Anytime you get to drive your favorite car on your home track, it's going to be a good day, so I'm not complaining. So here's a bonus clip for you guys. This is the back straight leading to the previous lap that you guys just watched. The mile per hour is kind of nice. Maybe I will go back with some steel brakes, so that way I could beat on the brake a little bit harder and not afraid to wear down the carbons. Probably bring some race tire, that way make the corner exit a lot more easier, less wheel spin. Let's see what we could do. I assume it will at least run under 210. With race tire probably much lower. But I just need more time to get comfortable with the car, basically. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good one.